Boots check, tool belt check, hard hat check. Up the builder, can we build it? Up the builder, yes we can!
Cloud Quantity Surveyor is an app that aims to help with the recording of measurements at the construction site. The user enters details about a job, such as the label or description and the location. They then enter basic measurements and select a shape to get the final result. Multiple measurements can be entered and they are stored in the cloud so they can be retrieved and processed later on back at the office. We can also see that there are drop-down menus with values from previous measurements to make filling in the forms easier. The app allows the user to subtract openings from the surface calculation by entering the values in the fields. Linear measurements can also be entered following the same logic. The count and the length of a linear measurement are necessary to get the final result. This instant recording of the measurements ensures that there are no mistakes. Certain quantities and costs are calculated by volume, so the app allows that as well. Some standard volume shapes, like a cube, a cone or a cylinder, can be selected from the drop-down menu. By tapping on the list icon on the top right, we can see our saved measurements. The bin icon on the right of each one allows us to delete that measurement. The Delete All button allows us to delete all of the measurements at once. By clicking on the green icon, we can download the measurements and open them in Excel. We can see the different tabs for surface, linear and volume, the raw data, and the calculated final result. We can also email the measurements to ourselves or a different email address. Finally, we can start a new measurement.